garage. A garage. Can't convince me. I'm trying.
I would rather have the British English version. Sounds far more sophisticated.
The little fancy words.
Is that right?
But I can't even do it with my tongue.
Very weird.
Eggplant.
What the heck is an eggplant?
I don't understand. I do not understand.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, the way you guys pronounce this is crazy.
Such an American thing.
Like, it's like my mind cannot compute this.
Can't even say it.
Can't give you that one. Next.
Hiya, welcome to Easy English. So a few weeks ago, we asked the question, can you speak English, to the citizens of Berlin? And one of the follow-up questions was, do they speak American or British English? So this week, we wanted to show you the different words and pronunciations between American and British English. So we enlisted the help of our Easy Languages friend, Justin.
Hi, Easy English.
Hello, Justin. So Justin is going to give you the American English pronunciational words, and I'm going to give you the British English pronunciational words. Are you ready? Before we get started, if you're not a subscriber to Easy English, then quickly subscribe below and also give this video a like. Here we go.
Jello. That word is jello.
In British English, this is called jelly.
Jelly. Jelly? That sounds like a name of some girl or something.
Both of these sound weird, but Jello sounds like a greeting.
Jello. It's the brand too.
Jello.
This is an easy one. These are chips or potato chips.
These are called crisps. Chips is something else, but I'm pretty sure we're going to come across that later on. But these are crisps, not chips.
Airplane.
This one is kind of similar, I guess, but we don't say air, we say aeroplane.
Aeroplane. I have seen it written like that. A-E-R-O.
A bit like aerodynamics. And for that reason, I would rather have the British English version. Sounds far more sophisticated. No?
Oh, the windshield. And those are windshield wipers on it as well.
This is a windscreen. And those are windscreen wipers.
Windscreen? Why windscreen? It's a shield. It blocks you from like the wind and stuff.
Windscreen sounds far more friendly. Windshield, like a shield to defend yourself. Such an American thing.
I like windshield. I'm biased. I would prefer all the American terms. Howdy, y'all.
So this one in British English is aluminium.
Oh my gosh, the way you guys pronounce this is crazy. Aluminum foil. And you guys pronounce it aluminium?
In American English, I think it's like aluminum, which sounds quite cool, but you're missing out all these letters. Pronounce them.
Aluminum foil. It's easy. Say it with me, everybody. Aluminum foil. There we go.
Aluminium. Is that right?
A wardrobe?
Huh?
Or a closet?
You use wardrobe?
Wardrobe or a dresser.
So this one I would call a wardrobe.
Closet, like, you know, like an actual part of the room, you know, it's like it has a door and you walk in and stuff like that. This, since it's like something you buy and you bring it into your room, I would call it like a wardrobe or a dresser.
I guess we do have kind of, no, we don't say closet. That sounds too much like that R. Kelly song. So yeah, the less said about that, the better. Let's stick with wardrobe.
Eggplant.
What the heck is an eggplant?
Why do we call it an eggplant?
This is an aubergine. Sounds very sophisticated, right?
I kind of like the how do you pronounce it?
Aubergine.
Aubergine. It sounds very fancy.
You have to make an eyebrow up as well.
Aubergine. We're going to have some aubergine. I can't even pronounce it right.
So you would describe the score in this picture as 0-0. I don't know why.
0-0. Well, what is nil? The little fancy words. Nil. I would not say that.
Okay, you prefer zero.
0. 0, like the numbers is 0.
In British English, this is a plaster. Or if you're from the south of England, a plaster. Plaster.
It's a Band-Aid in America, but it's a plaster in England, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. That would confuse me so much.
Band-Aid. That just reminds me of that Christmas song that Bono made with all those other artists.
But plaster, I'm just like, plaster, I feel like I'm like plastering something to like the wall. Like it feels too like construction for me. But like a Band-Aid is like, oh, just slap a little Band-Aid on your knee and you're good to go.
I'm sticking with plaster. Band-Aid, I can only think of Bono.
Sneakers. Like sneakers are pretty much any type of like casual shoe that you can wear.
I would call these trainers. In fact, all kinds of like casual shoes are trainers.
Trainers for me sounds too much like I'm training for something, like I'm wearing these because like I'm doing like a marathon or whatnot.
Sneakers sounds a bit too sneaky.
Sneakers sounds cool. Trainers is too like, sometimes it's too athletic, and you know, I don't want to be athletic all the time. I want to just be a sneaker guy.
Are you currently trying to improve your English? Then why don't you consider becoming a member of Easy English and getting perks for our episodes and for our podcasts? Perhaps you'd like to improve your English alongside our brand new podcast. If you become a podcast member, then we'll give you 2 perks: the interactive transcript and the after show. The interactive transcript follows along with our podcast word for word and translates it into a multitude of different languages for you to follow along to improve your English on the go or at home, on your laptop or on your phone. The second thing you'll receive is our after show, and where the podcast finishes, the after show begins. You'll be able to hear about what myself and Easy get up to in our day-to-day life and any exclusive announcement that Easy English will make in the future. So to become a podcast member of Easy English, go to easyenglish.video/membership. Now back to the episode. These are pants or underpants.
Underwear or boxer briefs or boxers. Those aren't pants. Like pants would be like long.
This is a weird one because underwear has kind of made its way into British English as well, as many other American English things have.
And then you guys call pants trousers, right? I would rather call it these trousers and keep pants pants.
So this would be called a car park.
I feel like that it's a park for cars.
Or you could, if it's stacked up, you could call it a multi-story car park, but always a car park.
Parking garage or parking lot?
Parking lot? A lot? Nah.
Parking garage has multiple floors. A parking lot would be like if you go like to the supermarket and there's just like a parking lot to park at.
Nah.
But like a parking garage, like you store your car there like a normal garage does. What do you guys call like a garage that's like attached to a house?
Yeah, a garage.
A garage. A garage. Can't convince me. I'm trying.
It's just stubborn. So the collective term for these would be sweets.
That's is that candy?
And the shop?
Candy shop.
You'd go to a sweet shop.
Sounds too much like sweatshop to me. Sweet shop. Candy shop.
I watched way too much American TV. Candy sounds cool.
I think the kids are going to choose candy shop.
This is a garden. A front garden or a back garden.
So the backyard or the front yard. That's what we call it.
A yard. Yard is like a measurement. How do you feel about back or front garden?
Back garden. If there's a garden, that makes sense.
Huh? So it has to have grass for you to consider it a garden?
For me, yeah. So it has to have grass and like flowers and stuff. But generally, this would be a backyard.
100 yards is like a football field, so it's weird to call it your backyard. I like garden. It's very sophisticated.
Oh, it's math, but you guys call it maths?
Maths, which I guess is a shortening of mathematics. So I'm not buying this whole math business.
But I can't even do it with my tongue. Math class.
Nope.
I don't understand. I do not understand.
So this in British English is called autumn, the season.
I mean, more people say fall, but autumn is there too.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Yeah, like if I was saying like spring, summer, fall, winter, I wouldn't like necessarily say autumn in like that list, but I can still refer to like August, September, October as autumn season.
Fall sounds a bit pessimistic. A lovely autumnal walk is much nicer than a fall walk. You can't even say it.
Autumn. Autumn is cute, and I had a friend named Autumn. I like autumn. I'll give you autumn.
Yes.
I will give you autumn.
Finally. So this is called a nappy. I have no idea why.
A diaper? That's all I would call it.
The baby's done a in its nappy, right?
I've never heard of a nappy.
Yeah.
I need to change the baby's nappy.
Diaper sounds weird. Diaper. A diaper. Nah.
Can't give you that one. Next.
So this will be called a crossroads. Plain and simple. It does what it says on the tin. Crossroads.
Intersection? Yeah, intersection.
Intersection? No. Why? American English sometimes sounds almost like it's all from the army. Intersection. Nope.
I like crossroads. Crossroads work. I'll give you crossroads as well. I like crossroads. Intersection is two mathematics, or two maths for me.
So I would call these cutlery.
Silverware.
Ooh.
That is silverware. The collection of it all is silverware.
Silverware. What if it's plastic?
Cutlery. We use cutlery too, not as much, but it's like more on the fancy side of things.
Cutlery. Which kind of makes sense.
The trunk of a car.
This is called the boot. The boot of the car.
The boot. No. I get it, but no.
We even have things called car boot sales, where you bring all of your kind of possessions that you don't want anymore and you put it in your boot of your car and you go to the car boot sale, you open your boot and then people come and they offer you money for your car boot sale. When you say trunk, I think of an elephant, of the elephant's nose. That's so weird.
Yeah, but it's also like, you know, those trunks that you have like on your bedside or whatnot, you put stuff in. It's the trunk of the car. You just throw your stuff in the trunk.
Thanks for watching part 1 of this week's episode. Please give love to Justin in the comments below for helping out Easy English. Tune in to our next episode to get part 2 of American English versus British English. And as always, we'll see you soon. Ta-ra! No boot.
No boot. No boot. The boot of a car.
Booty.
The booty. See you soon.